Hi beautiful lovers of good things, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Ladyzion Sweethome. In today's video I'm going to share with you how to make plantain fufu. Plantain fufu is a healthy recipe and so delicious as well. If you want to know how I make this, please stay tuned to this video and don't go anywhere. Welcome back beautiful lovers. So you can see how the plantain fufu is looking. This is the pack, and guys, believe me on this really looks like plantain, like it tastes like plantain, and I love it. And if you are the type that love strong fufu, and you also love fufu that has starch, like it will be having some starch, like it will be drawing, this is very good for you. Just go and give it a try and you will come back and testify. So guys, I'm just showing you the instruction, but I think you are not going to be seeing it well, and I decided to explain it. All the instruction you need to make this plantain fufu is written at the back of this pack. So all you need is for you to just read out all the instruction and just choose the step you want to use. You choose the step you want to follow. As for me, I have been making this for some time now. I always take the step that is more easier for me, and that step is what I'm going to be showing you guys. And this plantain fufu, I love it. It's so natural. Sometimes if I want to try out new things in our house, in my house, my hubby don't like trying it with me. He wants me to try it first. If he finds it so good or nice, then he will not join me. After my husband tasted this plantain fufu, he confirmed it so perfect, and this is really good. So guys, I want you to try out if you have not. But if you have tried it, please let me know at the comment section. I want to hear your own part of this plantain fufu, how you see it, how it was when you made it. At this stage, I'm going to pour out the plantain fufu in a bowl. Then I'll put my water on top of the fire and it will get hot. So let's start this video without taking much time. This is a very easy step which I choose, and it's like the way you also make your pando or pounded yam. It's very easy. You can see the water I brought out earlier is what I'm using to make the fufu right now, so that I can get my consistency the way I want it. And what this fufu needs is just energy. Like, this is so strong. When you are making it, you just have to be strong, like when you are turning it. So guys, if you watch to this extent, I want to say a very big thank you. I do really appreciate you. And for the new family who joined this family, you are highly welcome. I really appreciate your joining. And for my old subscribers, thank you all so much for all the love, the support. I appreciate it from the bottom of my heart. Thank you all so much. And if you are still watching us, you have not yet subscribed, please do wait to subscribe. We are on our road to 2K. Please, you guys help me and take me to that number. I will so much appreciate it. And if you like this video, remember to give it a huge thumbs up. Share it amongst friends and family. And guys, subscription is absolutely free of charge. You don't have to pay anything to subscribe. The reason you are subscribing is for you to be notified anytime I upload a new video. While you will put on the notification bell that says all. Anytime I put on a new video, you will be the first person to be notified. And beautiful lovers, if you want to support us willingly and you want to support us because you are led by your spirit, we have our PayPal link in the description box. You can also do us a favor. We will so much appreciate it. We are not trying to tax anyone here. You can support with anything. Thank you. So guys, this is the outcome of the plantain fufu. This is how it looks. And this really needs energy. Like, there is a lot of starch in this plantain fufu. And I didn't finish one pack because it dries a lot because of the starch. This is so good. I will be glad if you try out this recipe if you have not yet tried it. This is very good. So guys, this will be the end of this video. Remember to give this video a huge thumbs up. Subscribe if you have not yet subscribed. I will be glad if you can also share this video amongst friends and family. Thank you for staying tuned to this video. Thanks for watching. I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.